Last year, an Alabama surgeon made headlines for taking out a patient's liver instead of their spleen. Well, a jury found probable cause to indict him with second-degree manslaughter this week, and he faces up to 15 years in prison. Let me show you why that's so concerning. First off, the liver and spleen are on opposite sides of the body. Now, I'm a spine surgeon, and thankfully I haven't seen a spleen or a liver in over 10 years, but these should be readily identifiable to a general surgeon. Here's a liver. It's large, dark reddish, brown, has 4 distinct lobes, and is divided by the ligament of teres seen here. By contrast, here's a spleen. It's smaller, darker, and sometimes a pale purple. It's crescent-shaped, and one of the most distinct features is the notches or grooves that it has along the front border. Dr. Shaknovsky consented and planned for a laparoscopic splenectomy. That's a procedure where small incisions are used, the abdomen is filled with air, and cameras and laparoscopic instruments are used to guide the surgeon. You can see on TV, it's pretty good resolution. You should be able to see those organs pretty well. Some people even use robotics to guide them through, and these robots can do a lot more things than humans can. Now, Dr. Shaknovsky in this case converted from a planned laparoscopic to open surgery where a longer incision is made and the organs are visualized directly instead of through cameras. Now, it wasn't part of his original plan, but sometimes that's necessary in more challenging cases. His medical licenses have been suspended, and he's facing up to 15 years in prison if convicted. These cases are so rare. The last time I heard of one was Dr. Dunch in Texas, Dr. Death. Outside of impairment with drugs and alcohol, you just don't see these very often, but it underscores the fact that our job is so important and we're held to a different standard. Most jobs, if you do a bad job at them, you just get fired. But in this case, I think the jury did the right thing by saying this was such an egregious case that it warrants bringing criminal charges. We'll see what happens.